Today on CJ Classic Truck, we're going to show you how to give your old truck a modern look with improved visibility by installing LED headlights. The factory headlights found on older trucks are dull and yellow and can certainly use an upgrade, so today we're going to be installing these LED headlights in our 1971 F250. These are Delta Tech 7-inch LED headlights with integrated driving lights. They're 7-inch reflector housings to maintain that classic look, but they feature super bright LED bulbs for the headlights as well as a smaller LED bulb for a driving light. They're going to be easy to install onto your truck, and they put out 4,000 lumens so you can see a whole lot better at night. For more information, pricing, and fitment, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. First thing we're going to do is remove the 4 screws around the headlight to remove the bezel. Then loosen the 3 screws that secure the headlight ring. Twist the headlight ring counterclockwise, then remove it. Pull the headlight out and unplug it from the harness. So here's the LED headlight. It does come with the LED headlight bulb installed as well as this driving light. Now we're not going to permanently hook up this driving light in our truck, but we will show you how it works. So we're going to put this headlight in and just show you what it looks like lighting this up. So if you are going to hook up your driving light, connect your wiring harness to it, then connect the headlight to the harness. Get the headlight in place, then install the retaining ring and tighten it down. Reinstall the bezel. Alright, this headlight is now installed. If you decide to run the driving light, what you can do now is hook up your wiring harness to your marker light or put it on a toggle switch. And before we do the other side, we're going to do a side-by-side comparison to see how much better these are. Okay, as you can see, we have the LED light on the left and the factory halogen on the right. The LED is significantly brighter. It's a nice cool white. It looks a whole lot better than the halogen. Okay, so here's the side-by-side comparison of the low beams. As you can see, the LED is clearly brighter, has a much better pattern, and let's see what the high beams look like. Still significantly brighter. This LED is definitely an upgrade. Okay, we got our Delta Tech LED headlights installed in our 71 F250. They're looking so much better than the factory headlights. Install is pretty straightforward. I'd say give yourself 20 to 30 minutes to do this, and before you know it, you'll be heading down the road. We hope you enjoyed this video. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the link right here, and for more videos like this one, click this playlist.